Stop here. The next time you try to generate Leo, there's a high chance the AI will spit out someone completely different. Don't worry, I will show you how to fix that. Now let's see how well he performs in different environments. So here's what you do next. Head back to ChatGPT and ask it to describe a brand new scene. Describe a scene where Leo is filming an educational video in his home studio. ChatGPT is going to hit you back with a vivid description. Now grab that new scene description and go straight back to Google ImageFX. This part is critical. Do not replace Leo's original prompt. You're not starting from scratch. Paste the new scene right after the original Leo prompt. Before you hit create, here's the secret weapon, the seed lock. Click here. See that little lock icon next to the seed number? Click it. What you've just done is lock the seed number, which tells the AI, hey, this is the exact DNA of Leo. Don't mess with it. Now hit create. Boom. There he is again. Still Leo. But now he's in his home studio, ready to drop some educational fire on camera. Same face, same personality, different vibe. It works beautifully. Let's run one more test to really drive it home. Back to ChatGPT. This time, type, describe a scene where Leo is teaching a group of students in a classroom. Grab the description it gives you, probably something like Leo standing at the front of a classroom, students watching him, maybe a projector or a chalkboard in the background. Copy that scene, head back to ImageFX, and again, paste it right after Leo's original prompt. Don't change a thing about the core description. Now hit create. Yes, there he is. Still Leo, still looking sharp, but now in a classroom setting. The lighting's different, the scene is different, but Leo is identical. This is the power of combining a solid base prompt with a locked seed number. But now it's time to take all that power and turn it into something even more impactful, a full-on visual narrative. Here's how to make that happen. Go back to ChatGPT and type, create a short story about Leo, a young educator and content creator who discovers his unique teaching style and builds a community through online education. Now sit back and let ChatGPT do its thing. It's going to spin a beautiful mini narrative about Leo's journey. But instead of trying to visualize the whole thing at once, we've got to break it down into specific moments. Ask ChatGPT to identify the most visually interesting moments in that story by typing, identify the key scenes in this story that would make great illustrations. Boom. Now you've got a list of cinematic moments. Each one can become a single image in your storyboard. Let's test one out. Grab the first key scene, go to Google ImageFX. That original character description, keep it exactly the same. Just add the scene on top. What happens if you mess with the original character description? Let's find out. I'm going to remove just this one little detail about Leo's casual outfit, nothing major, and hit create. Boom. The character still looks solid, but now he's wearing a different t-shirt. Just like that, the consistency breaks. Moral of the story? Don't mess with the original description. Keep it exactly the same. Now generate all your scenes using the same way. Once you've got your scenes, it's time to animate your visuals. I'm going to show you how to bring Leo to life using a 100% free AI video generator that we already covered in a previous video. If you haven't seen that one, I highly recommend checking it out right after this. It shows you exactly how to generate AI videos without watermarks. So here's how it works. First, go to the video tool and click the big upload button to drop in your AI images from Google ImageFX. Right here, you'll see a box that says, describe your video. That's where you paste in the prompt for each scene, just like we did when creating the images. Then smash that generate video button. Boom. Scene 1, done. Now repeat this process one by one. You're building an animated version of Leo's journey. Now for the finishing touch, we need voiceover. For that, I used 11 Labs, the AI voice generator. Just paste your story, pick your voice style, and let it do the talking. And this is what we get.
At 24, Leo had two things, a passion for learning and a second-hand camera. By day, he was a part-time tutor in a cramped classroom, trying to make algebra less painful for high schoolers. By night, he stayed up editing videos in his tiny apartment, experimenting with ways to explain complex ideas in simple visual ways.
But listen, Google ImageFX isn't available in every country.